On 9th September of 2021, Ford Motor, an international manufacturer of cars, stopped its operations in India. It had factories in Sanand of Gujarat and Chennai of Tamil Nadu for 25 years. Is this an end to car industry growth in India? Certainly not. Car industry has grown by 39% in 2021, but Ford Motor has captured only 2% of the market share. On the other hand, Tata Motors and other industries have said that they will heavily invest in electric car manufacturing in the coming years. The Ford Motor Company was started by Henry Ford in 1903. They started making and selling Model T cars. The production and sale of these cars have changed not only America but the whole world in a century. Today, the company has more than $150 billion sales and over 2 lakh employees across the globe. This revolution has two aspects. One is the wheel based economy that changed the world. Second is the philosophy behind the wheel. The purpose of Ford Motor Company is to help build a better world where every person is free to move and pursue their dreams. Thus, the philosophy of having a car in America lies in the very philosophy of personal freedom and aspirations. There are three stages of innovation which changed the industrial world. The weaving process. The weaving process was the first to be mechanized by the invention of John Kay's flying shuttle in 1733, and soon the revolution has engulfed the world. In India, the industrial growth in 20th century was also mainly governed by textile industry with the likes of Arvind Mills and Reliance Industries to name a few. Railways. From their start in England in 1830, the railroads spread very fast across the globe. They unified countries, created great fortunes, enabled the growth of new industries, and thoroughly revolutionized life in every place they ran. In 1913, Henry Ford revolutionized the car industry by establishing an assembly line manufacturing of cars. The workers remained in their place, but the car kept moving the assembly line as the manufacturing progressed. Due to this innovation, Ford Motor Company was able to manufacture a car in 1.5 hours. Up to 1927, they built 1.5 crores of Model T cars. People ridiculed Henry Ford when he decided to make cars for average income Americans. In the start of 20th century, when he started the company, the car price was affordable to super rich. He prepared a car named Model T with standard parts and only black color and eventually reduced the price to only $360 when the average yearly household income in India was only $3,200. We can equate this situation to India when Ratan Tata announced that he wants every average Indian to own and drive a car in the start of the 21st century.
Henry Ford achieved this by gaining total control by owning the whole supply chain. By 1920s, his company ran coal and iron ore mines, timberlands, rubber plantations, a railroad, sawmills, blast furnaces, a glass works, and a giant factory which built the parts and assembled the cars. Also, he did this by increasing salaries of his workers so that they can buy the cars. American car industry has changed the landscape. People started living in the countryside, urban became suburban, women started working, and it created many billionaires in the world because of the oil based economy. Unfortunately, but though, the increased cars added to the world's pollution and detrimental climate change. Freedom has its price. Where are we going with cars? Or where are cars going? The Google concept of self driving car will make the idea of freedom come true. A car without the botheration to control, monitor the passenger is free. And the electric cars will decrease the guilt. They will make you free without climate change. Have a nice ride. Thank you.